boy. Good boy. Yeah. Want to do it again? Can you do it again? That's it. Nope. Hey. Come on. Jump. Jump. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Okay, I'll let you run with that one for a little bit. That was heavy. Is that up it, you think?
Yeah, go ahead, I think. Is that 16, the next one?
Yeah.
Alright, Andy has to jump over 20 twice in order to get his puissance jumping patch. It's twice his height. And he's done it before, but never with a leader nearby to certify it. So that's why I'm doing a video, but also because he's just so cute. Yay, good boy, Andy. See how easily he does 16? But he gets tired, or he gets shy, or he gets stressed.
Andy, come here.
Andy, come on. Good boy.
Oh, can I have it back? Can I have it back? Good boy. Good boy. All right.
All right, Andy.
Oh, okay. Okay. Nope. Nope.
He's like, where is it? Where is it?
Okay.
Yay!
Boy.
All right, put on a 20. I think he's still got plenty of energy. See, the thing looks filthy. It looks like a drowned rat because he keeps putting in all this dirt and stuff.
Hey, let's not do that. Whoa. Come on.
That's 20 inches.
Let's not freak that, huh? Come on. I'll get you some water in a minute.
Andy!
Come here. Okay. Okay. Nope.
Yeah, put it right over, yeah.
You jump it and I'll let you have it. Come on. I know you want it. I know you want it. No, that's not how we're going to get it. So come on.
And he's gone.